in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Monroe County in southwestern Illinois, central Jefferson County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Olympian Village, or 5 miles southeast of DeSoto, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Olympian Village in DeSoto around 8:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm area: Hematite, Mapleville, and Harrisonville. This includes the following state parks: Sandy Creek Covered Bridge Historic Site and Gov. Dunkman's Grave Historic Site. This includes Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 170 and 185. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure.